Today we're looking at this little cap light. So it has a little clip on the bottom of it. There comes with two of them as well. So there's clips on the bottom of them, and there's going to be 6 modes, so we'll just look at them before we attach it. So if you hit this button, there's 1, there's 2, and then if you hold it down for 3 seconds, it goes to motion sensor mode, and then it'll turn off eventually. So after that, those are in the back button, and then it looks like one button, but if you hit the front and the back, it'll turn on different lights. So the front will be 1, 2, it turns on the center light, and then you can do motion sensor with that light as well. And to know motion sensor's on, it'll be blue, and it's lighting up the front to show you that it's just the front light that's going to be on, and then you can turn that off. So to attach it to your cap, you'll just do this, and it just slides right on there. And then let's say I want to put this one on. We'll just do it like this. It's pretty bright, and let's say I want to change it. I can just adjust it, and then motion sensor, and then it'll turn it on. So it's pretty easy to use. It's definitely helpful, like just looking, even though the lights are on in here, like it changes the lighting on like what I'm looking at. So it's super easy to use. And then it comes with a little case, and the case comes with 2 different chargers since there's 2 different cap lights. And to use it, you can use it when you go camping or fishing, and then 2 hours of charge time will last 30 hours of use. So these last pretty long. If you were to go on a camping trip for a weekend or something like that, I would definitely recommend it. But I'm going to show you these in like the dark so that you can see how they look whenever they're on. So here's mode 1, there's 2, and then if we hold it down for 3 seconds, we're going to go off, but it's actually just motion censored. So that's one of the options, and then it'll turn off, and then again. So that's easy to use. And then if we hold down the back button, it'll turn that on, and then 2, if we hold it down, it'll look off, but it's just on motion sensor. So there's a lot of different options, and they're very handy to use. So if you were going to mess around with it again, there's a bunch of different ones. So I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a cap light. So now we have it under the water, and you can see it's still working, all the different settings. It's not ruining it. You can hit on the front, all the different sides, and you can see the light's still working. So I would definitely recommend these if you need some waterproof cap lights.